Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 2.3 question number 8. So let's start question number 8. In this question, provide the number in the box such that, means they are giving you the fill in the blanks type questions. So first let us write the question number 8a. Question A is provide the number in the box. Provide the number in the box. This is the box. Provide the number in the box so that such that okay, such that 2 by 3 into box is equal to 10 bucks. So what have you understand in this question? Can you tell me? You have to provide any number in that box so that it must be equal to 10 by 3. Got it? 2 by 3 into what number? We should multiply which number with 2 by 3, so the answer is 10 by 3. Can you tell me? See, we can just suppose that if any number is x which is multiplied by 2 by 3, so 2 by 3 into x is equal to 10 by 3. So what will happen there? X will be equal to 10 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Right? See, we can just suppose here any number. So what we'll suppose? We'll suppose that 2 by 3 into x is equal to 10 by 3. Just suppose here there is a number 2 by 3. We don't know by which number it is multiplied. So we have taken x. So will be 10 by 3. Okay? We have just let us consider. Let us consider. Means we have just suppose there is one number which is x. So 2 by 3 is multiplied by x. So we have got the value 10 by 3. Now here this side it is multiplied. So if it will go that side, then what it will become? It will become division, right? So x is equal to 10 by 3 division by 2 by 3, right? So what will be the value? 10 by 3 upon 2 by 3. What will be the value? 10 by 3 into 3 by 2. 3 cancel, 2 5s are 10. So x is equal to 5. What will be the value? X is equal to 5. So let's just check that number. Is it right or not? So 2 by 3 into 5 is equal to 10 by 3. So yes, this number is 3. So you can just write by this way, so you will get the correct answer. Got it? So this was our 8A first question. 8A first question. And the second question is the simplest form of the number obtained in the box is. The simplest form. Simplest form is what? In simple form. So either you can write 5 by 1 also, or the simplest form, second question, 8A second question. The simplest form of the number obtained in the box. Obtained in the box is 5. What is the number? It's 5. A and S, that is answer. Okay. So if you want to write, then you can write very easily. The question is very easy. I hope all of you understand. And if you are having any doubt, then you can say to me. 2 by 3 into 5 by 10. Question is provide the number in the box. The 2 by 3 is multiplied by which number? So you will get the answer 10 by 3 or 10 by 30 it is. Just check the number. Okay. Just suppose if it is 3, then the answer is right. Okay, now if I talk about the same question, okay, same question, nothing else, but if I put here 0, 30, then what will be the value? Here 30, here 30, and here 30. So 3 tens are 30, right? So 5 by 10, 1 by 2, right? The simplest form will be 5 by 10 or 1 by 2. Got it? So what we have done? We have done nothing. We have just seen, instead of 3, if the number would be 30, then what you have to do? You don't have to do anything. So what will be there here? 5 by 10 or 1 by 2, you can say, just like that. So here, let us consider that 2 by 3 is multiplied by x. So the result is 10 by 30. So what will be the value of x? Here it is multiplied. It will go that side, it will become division. So 10 by 30 divided by 2 by 3. So 10 by 30 divided by 2 by 3. This 3 will go up, 2 will come down. 10 by 30 into 3 by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 10s are 30. Got it? So here 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. So the simplest form of the number obtained is 5 by 10 or 1 by 2. You can write here only 1 by 2. Simplest form is there, right? So no need to write 5 by 10. Directly 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So the answer will be 1 by. Is there any doubt? Now tell me. See, the process you should understand. What is the answer? You should not focus on that. If you are understanding the process, then you can do anything. See, there was only one number confusion. Instead of 30, I have written 3. And if I change into 30, then you can see, if the process is right, then there is no difficulty, right? I hope all of you understand. Now let's come the next question, 8b. You can take a screenshot of this question. Now the simplest, provide the number in the box such that, same question is there, but the numbers are changed. Provide the number in the box 8b. Okay, if you have known the process, then the same thing. In the such that 3 by 5, here the number is changed. 3 by 5 into dash is equal to 24 by 75. 3 by 5 into box, 3 by 5 into box is equal to 24 upon 75. 24 upon 75. Got it? Have you seen the question? There is no changing in this question, only digits are changed. So very easy. Let us consider 3 by 5 into x is equal to 24 by 75. Right? So therefore here this side is multiplied, it will go that side, it will become division. So 24 by 75 divided by 3 by 5. So x is equal to 24 by 75 divided by 3 by 5, that is equal to 24 by 75. This 5 will go up and 3 will come down. 3 8 is 24. 5 15 5 are 75. So you have seen the number is 8 by 15. Right? What is the number? The number is 8 by 15. So what will be the simplest form of the number? Same question is there. See, nothing changed, only the digits are changed. Right? So what is there any changes in the simplest form? Because you can see the number can't be converted to the lowest form. So the simplest form of the number obtained in the box is 8 by 15. Only this is 8. So you can take a screenshot or you can write this answer in your note. See, if you know the process now, then any type of questions if you get, if you know the process, then you can solve. Only the digits are changed, nothing changed. In the B question also, in the A question also, you must know the process. I hope all of you are writing this answer in your notebook. After writing this answer, then we will move towards the question number 9. 8A and B. If I'll give you this type of question in the homework, so will you be able to solve? I hope all of you will be able to solve, and you have written also this answer. So now we are moving towards the question number 9. Right? What is question number 9? The question number 9 is not there. means we have finished this exercise. Okay, now we will move towards exercise 2.4. 2.3 is finished. So do you have any doubt till 2.3? So what do you think? I should start this 2.4 in the next video or in the same video? As you wish. If you tell me to start in this video, so I will start in this video. If you tell me in the next video, then I will start in the next video. First of all, tell me that you have understand this type of concept or not. If I will give you the same type of number, can you divide it or can you complete it? So if I am giving you 5 questions related to that, you have to solve that 5 numbers. So this was your first question, okay? Now 4 more questions I am giving you. 8 by 7 into dash is equal to 24 upon 49. Got it? Second question. Third question. 7 by 8 into box is equal to 42 by 56. Fourth question. 9 by 2 into box is equal to 81 by 18. And the last question, 7 by 48 into box is equal to 21 by 96. So can you do this type of question? Same questions as 8A and B I have done. So similarly you have to solve. I am solving one more question. First of all, you just take a screenshot of this homework. As the first questions already I have solved you. One more question I will solve, and rest 3 questions you have to solve. So you can tell me any of the questions which you are feeling very hard. So can I solve this 5th one? So let's start with the 5th one. This is your questions. As first we have already solved. Now here you can just check the 5th one. Okay. So let us consider 7 by 48 into x is equal to 21 by 96. Got it? See, same type, nothing we are going to do difference. Only we must know the concept. So that's why I am giving you the concept. So here this number is multiplied with x. So if it will go that side, 21 by 96 divided by 7 by 48. So x is equal to 21 by 96 upon 7 by 48. X is equal to 21 by 96 into 48 by 7. 7 3s are 21, 48 2s are 96. So x is equal to 3 by 2. So what will be the simplest form of the number? There is no shortest form of 3 by 2. It is already the shortest form. So the answer will be 3 by 2. As you have seen, I have solved the 5th one. Now rest 3 one. Means the second, third and the 4th question. I hope all of you can solve. Second one also you can see. 8 by 7. What you will do? 8 by 7 into x is equal to 24 by 49. So 8 by 7 into x is equal to 24 by 49. So x will be 24 by 49 divided by 8 by 7. So 24 by 49 into 7 by 8. 8 3 is 24 and 7 7 is 49, right? So what will be the answer? 3 by 7. Here will be the answer 3 by 7. What's about this? 7 by 8 into x is equal to 42 by 56. X is equal to 42 by 56 divided by 7 by 8. So x is equal to 42 by 56 into 8 will go up, 7 will come down. So 8 7s are 46 and 7 6 are 42. 6 upon 6, 1 will be the answer. So here 9 by 2 multiplied by x is equal to 81 by 18. So x is equal to 81 by 18 divided by 9 by 2. So x is equal to 81 by 18 into 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So 9 9s are 81, 2 9s are 81. So 9 by 2. What will be the answer? 9 by 200. So as I have solved all the questions orally, you have to solve these questions in your notebook. Got it? So as this is your homework, you have to solve these questions. The rest, the Next exercise means 2.4. I will start in the next video. I hope all of you are understanding about this concept. If you are still having any type of doubt in this concept, then please drop it out into the comment box section so I can understand that you are facing doubt. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. That's all for today. Thank you. You can take a screenshot of the homework so you can write your homework.